Hey everybody, it's Quail Mama out here on the 30th. It's a cold one. Actually, it's a little warmer than it has been. It's like 36 right now. Had to warm up to snow. We're promised snow tonight. Out here with the little birds, we are having some morning glory greens. It's going over real well. Yep, I'm just going to strip them up. Everybody's still doing well. Just gave the little boys some fresh water over there. I'm going to have to get them some greens too. I'm sure they would like it. Still thinking about bringing them over here. I don't think it'll overwhelm Poppy too much more. Anyway, here we are. So what do we got? Like 11 down here and at least 2, 3 up in the hutch. Uh-oh, I'm touching the microphone. That probably sounded terrible. Yep, we're up here in the hutch. Alrighty. Oh, we just wanted to do a quick update here. Uh-oh, there's George. Okay, everybody. Well, thanks so much for watching. Just gonna make this a quick one. Gotta get back to work. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for giving us a like. Have a great day, everybody. Bye for now.